So I've exchanged some of the money I had on me from Thai baht to Malaysian ringgit, and this is what some of the bangalows look like. And now let's go explore, see what food we can try right here in Malaysia. Write them down in the comment section. Oriental, and the food looks amazing. I think we should give this a try, just to check out how good it is. It's more like a welcome meal to Malaysia. Breakfast. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Let me see. Nasi lemak. Nasi lemak. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Nasi lemak. Let's give it a try. Hello.
Table for one.
Yeah, for one. Thank you. I think I'm the only one. Get a table for one. Thank you. And I'm trying to figure out what my first meal should be. You know, when the menu is also working, sometimes he said I just go fried Malay fried rice. Wow, look at this. It smells extremely good. Very appetizing. The presentation is top notch. Let's dig in. I love this.
龟苓膏，龟苓膏有时候，龟苓膏，清热的，大火，清热的，清热的，来吧，来我给你点一个。
So guys, make sure you're gonna board the bus just right now, and I couldn't because I didn't have a ticket, so I need to go back inside, get the ticket at the ticket counter before I can be able to board the bus. So take note of that. Hello, is this the ticket counter?
GPS signal lost.
Thank you. Oh, okay. So here's the ticket counter.
Take the starter Batu 3, Jalan Ipoh. It leaves in
Let's
3
check
minutes from KLIA
What the
2.
prices are like. So I want to go to the city center so you can pay using debit card.
GPS signal lost. To 3, Jalan Ipoh. It leaves in 3 minutes from KLIA 2.
It's not easy being in a new place.